What kitchen tap color is the best one? There's so much to choose from. You have gold, you have brushed nickel, you have matte black, another gold color, brass and bronze, just to name a few. What I like to do in kitchen design is I match the tap color to the bench top. If you have a bench top, for instance, like this one, which has more a cooler color scheme, then I'd like to match it to a warm tap. For instance, this one. This is the bronze color and it looks so beautiful and elegant. But if you have a different bench top, say for instance this stone, which has a more warmer color scheme, in that case I would also pair it with a warmer color scheme, which is the brushed nickel. So gorgeous together. And just to make sure everything looks harmonious, you would like to select also the same sink color as your tap color. And then your whole kitchen looks just gorgeous. What kitchen tap color do you prefer? I would like to know. Please leave a comment below and I would love to hear from you. Bye for now. Bye bye.